This is continuation of module 4, Juran trilogy. According to Juran, the definition of quality has two aspects from the customer's perspective. Quality is first one, a greater number of features that meet customer requirement or needs. Second one, fewer defects. Key attributes: the Juran trilogy, fitness for use, quality council, Pareto principle, 10 steps to quality improvement. The Juran trilogy. To attain quality, you must begin by establishing the vision, policies, and goals of the organization. Converting these goals into results is done through three managerial processes called the Juran trilogy. The three universal processes for managing for quality are: first one, quality planning; second one, quality control; third one, quality improvement. Quality does not happen by accident, it must be planned. First one, quality planning, the structured process for designing products and services that meet new breakthrough goals and ensure that customer needs are met. Steps in quality planning process are: first one, establish the project; second one, identify the customers; third one, discover the customer needs; fourth one, develop the product; fifth one, develop the process; sixth one, develop the controls and transfer to operations. Quality control, second one, a universal managerial process for conducting operations so as to provide stability, to prevent adverse change, and to maintain the status quo. Quality control can also be described as a process for meeting the established goals by evaluating and comparing actual performance and planned performance and taking action on the difference. The quality control process: first one, choose control subject; second one, establish measurement; third one, establish standards of performance; fourth one, measure actual performance; fifth one, compare to standards, interpret the difference; sixth one, take action on the difference. All improvement takes place project by project. Third one, quality improvement, the process for creating breakthrough levels of performance by eliminating waste and defects to reduce the cost of poor quality. Prove the need for improvement, identify the improvement projects, establish project improvement teams. Provide the project teams with resources, training, and motivation to diagnose the causes, to stimulate the remedies, and to establish controls to hold the gains. This diagram is called as the Juran trilogy diagram. Three universal processes of the Juran trilogy.